In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move files and folders within your Google Drive, as well as how to make copies of files and folders in Google Drive. So let's get started. I just have a Google folder open to show you this. So to move any file you want, you can just go here and then organize. So that's really the biggest thing where people get confused is it says organize, not move. And then when you hit move, it will show you your drive and you can decide where you want to move it. So we're going to move it to published. You can also create a new folder if you want down here. And so it moved the file and it tells you where it went. You can also drag and drop files to move them. You can also drag and drop over here to move it. You can also do this from when the file is open and just click move and it'll give you the same prompt as when we did it from the file itself. Without the file being open, you can also make a copy from here. And then this is where you would choose where you want the copy to go. Right here, if you're making it from the screen. You can also make a copy from here. And so then it shows up as copy blah, 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 whatever the title was originally. You can also move folders. So I can move this folder. We'll just move it out here. So now that folder's there and I'm going to move it back. The other thing is you can do is you can move, and again, it's organize, move, move here. So it's back there. Now, the one thing with Google Drive is you cannot make copies of the folders. There are some third-party add-ons that you can use to make a copy of the folder. I've never had a whole lot of luck of those like being super consistent. If you do want to make a copy, what I recommend you doing is you highlighting all of them, all the ones you want to make a copy of. So now they're highlighted. So if I click on here, now only that one's highlighted, but if I use my mouse to highlight, I can highlight all of them. And then I right click and make a copy. And so this is copying these 10 files. Some of these were Word because I guess it was an old one, but it doesn't matter. It'll work on all Google Docs. Now I have a copy of all of those files. So the ones that are not a copy of are selected already, so I can go to organize and then move, and I'm going to do publish 2 or 1. I'm creating a new folder. And I'm going to move. So now all my copies are in this folder, and I would just rename this folder published copies. And then go back here, rename this one, published. So those are my originals, and here are my copies. That's the easiest way to go in and quote unquote make a copy of a folder. You're not copying the folder, but you're copying all the documents in it. But there is no option to just make a copy of a folder completely in Google Drive at this time. Hopefully that's something that they will eventually create, but again, it's just easier to highlight all the files you want to make a copy of and then make a copy and move the original files to another folder and then label appropriately. So biggest thing to remember is under here to move a file, it's under organize, and then you can't make a copy of a whole folder, but you can select multiple files and make a copy of those. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to get more tech tips each Thursday.